Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how you can sacrifice a piece on the f2 or f7 square and then make sure that opponent's king in the center. And once the king stays in the center, then you build up the attack with the rest of your pieces. For example, in this position we are black. In the next move, white is going to go short castle. But we play knight cross f2. We sacrifice the knight. And white has to take it, king cross f2, and what are we getting in return? First we play knight check, king e1, and you play knight cross e3. First of all, you got 2 points, you got 2 pawns for the piece. So you have sacrificed only one point. And now the opponent's king will stay in the center. He cannot go short castle, so you can build up your attack on the king. Queen goes to d2. And here black played an important move. d4. Sacrifice a pawn. Why? Because it will open the d file, and once your a rook comes to d8, it will become powerful. But opponent also knows this, so he does not take the pawn. He plays knight d1. He wants to get rid of this knight. And now you take on g2, king f2, and you got 3 pawns for the piece, plus you are getting an ongoing attack on the king. So that's more than enough compensation for the piece. White plays rook f1, you develop, you play bishop h3, attacking this rook g1, and you just play rook a d8. Now all of black's pieces are in the game and this king is vulnerable. White plays rook g3, attacks the bishop, but we don't defend it. We play d3. We want to capture the e2 bishop. Bishop cross d3, and now first you play knight cross f3, rook cross f3, and you bring the queen into the attack. Rook g3, and now how do we continue? We would like to play queen f4 check, but the problem is queen is covering it. So we deflect the queen. Rook cross d3, queen cross d3, queen f4 check, and now queen blocks the check. You play queen d2 check, king is forced to go back, and you play rook e1 check, and it's game over. This king is trapped. Opponent has to play queen f1 and you take the queen. It's checkmate. So basic idea is you sacrifice a piece on f2 or f7 so that king stays in the center, and then you build up the attack on it. That's it for this video. Let's go to the next one.